welcome back to another video. As you can already tell by the title of today's video, we will be deep cleaning the refrigerator, and I thought, why not bring you guys along with me? I normally try to clean the refrigerator once or twice every week, like just give it a quick clean and wipe down, and then like once a month I go in and deep clean it. But I did not do that last month. I think I only did it like once in January, and then in February I haven't done it at all. And today is the last day of February, so this refrigerator needs to be cleaned out. So yeah, I hope by the end of today's video it gives you some kind of motivation so you can also tackle your refrigerator. So yeah, let's get right into it. So this is what the refrigerator is currently looking like. Yeah, so I normally start off with the hand of the refrigerator and take everything out and then clean it up, put those back, and then go inside here to the main part, and then just take everything out and then clean it out. But for today's video, I'm just gonna go ahead and take everything out from here and then go through everything and see what I need to toss in the trash, and yeah, take out the drawers and then the parts that I can take out and give it a nice wash at the sink with soap and water, and then wipe the refrigerator down. Right, love, so everything is out of the fridge now. I'm gonna take you guys a little bit closer so you can see there's stuff here that needs to be wiped down. See that it needs some loving, so yeah. And then I do not like it when the fridge gets to this, so I like to be on top of stuff. Yeah, take you up close and personal. Alright, y'all, so this is everything that I ended up taking out the fridge. So I'm gonna go through everything and see what needs to be tossed in the trash and what I need to keep. Yeah, so these bins and the egg containers, all these containers needs to be washed. I'm gonna throw out some food that needs to be thrown out, and then clean all of these up, as well as the drawers and all the stuff that goes in the refrigerator. These are all the bins and containers I will be using to organize the fridge today. I picked most of these stuff from Marshalls and then Home Goods. These soda can organizers are from Marshalls. I needed like two. I think I'm gonna grab one more, but it was only one left at the Marshalls I went to, so I will be trying a different Marshalls or Home Goods and see if I find another one. But yeah, and then I got these two ice tray things. I forgot what they're called. Oh my god, I cannot think right now, but yeah, you know what I mean. These also from Marshalls. And then these Lazy Susans are from Marshalls also. I don't know, I think it's small and I'll probably need another one, so I'll go back later and grab one more. And then I got these two for the kids snacks, also from Marshalls. These two small ones are also from Marshalls. And then these two glass juice jars are from IKEA. I've been using these for a while. So there's no more juice in here, so I washed everything here is already washed and ready to be used. And I got these from Home Goods. I picked these up yesterday. So yeah, and it says the juice jar, these are acrylic, and it was only two left, so I will probably be looking for them when I I go. I'm gonna be using these for juice and milk, and then these two small ones are also from Home Goods, and then this vegetable fruit thing is from Home Goods as well. So this is everything that I will be using to organize the refrigerator.
Why you presenting games? I don't wanna play. I've been on my grind, I just wanna lay down with you. Spark a doobie, hit the town with you. Life is complicated, but I found in you something simple, I can wrap my head around it. Be my lady, cause you keep it around it. You see all the women in my DMs, it's astounding. You ain't gotta worry about a thing, you got me grounded. Yeah, I say any truth that I wanna say. Let's appreciate our youth like it's our final days. I'm the rarest in the deck, call me ace of spades. Life is anything we choose, and I would choose you, baby. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see you. Please give me a sign, yeah. Please give me a sign if you wanna come. Give me a sign, yeah. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see you. Please give me a sign if you wanna come. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see you. Please give me a sign if you wanna come through, through. Oh yeah.
Nicely washed and hand dried. I'm gonna let those air dry while I clean out the refrigerator. Everything is nicely cleaned out, and now I'm gonna go ahead and put all the shelves and the drawers in here, and then go through the food and then put them right back in here. Love these red pepper jelly, they're so bomb. mild green jalapeno jellies are so bomb also. So yeah.
That passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I long for the times you held me in your arms. Whoa. How I wish that you were here to give me everything I want.
So these two don't look right, and I think I finally figured it out. I think this one goes under, and then yeah. So let's try that.
There's not a single day that passes, not even 1 minute can end up. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I long for the times you held me in your arms. Whoa. How I wish that you were here to give me everything I want. But I know that life's unfair and we can't always have it all. I wish that you were here. I wish that you were here. I wish that you. I wish that you. I wish that you. I wish that you.
Alright, so now going into the freezer. This is everything that was inside the freezer. I've taken everything out, and I went ahead and took out the shelving and washed it. So I'm gonna put that back, and then as you can see, it's already wiped down. I've wiped everything down, so I'm gonna go through, you know, all those items right here, see which one I need to toss, and then which one I need to put back, and then try to arrange everything. So alright, so for the hand of the fridge, I just keep some ice cream up down here, and then up here there's nothing. And then in here I have all our smoothie fruits and stuff like that. And then in the bag I just have hash brown, french fries, and then some chicken, popcorn chicken back there. I'll probably get more of these acrylic bins back there so I can put those in there. And then here are just basically breakfast corner. And then down here I have the ice stuff. These are the ice Joe picked out because I don't know why. He just wanted these, so he picked those up, and I feel like it's taking so much room, so that's why I bought this. So I don't know, maybe we'll finish this up and then not buy them anymore. But down here, after this is out, I'll probably buy another more bin, and then I'll put our hot dogs and sausages and stuff in that one. And then here I have vegetables. So yeah, that's what that's looking right now. Alright loves, so I just got back from Walmart, and yep, that time right there is correct. It is almost 10 p.m. and I just got back from Walmart. It was packed. I left here around 7 something. It was almost 8, and then after groceries I had to go to Wingstop, and you know how that goes. I waited for a little bit, so I just came back 8, and I'm about to share with you guys what I ended up picking up. I did make a list. I ended up getting some of the stuff on the list, and some of the stuff I just grabbed stuff and just put it on because it took about 30 minutes just to find parking, and it was packed. So I was just over it. I just picked stuff, so I'll probably go back and try to get the other stuff that was on the list that I did not get. So let's jump right in. I picked out some onions, 2 cucumbers, pepperoni, and then mini pepperonis for bagel bites, some string cheese, these apple chicken sausages, they're really good. And then I grabbed 12 and 18 large eggs, some Ritz crackers. You bought eggs and you didn't tell me that. It's okay, we go through eggs like crazy, so that's fine. And then I grabbed chicken noodle soup. I grabbed 2 of those. I didn't know it was the light, but that shouldn't be a problem. And then I picked out some Orbit gum, Hawaiian sweet rose, some mandarins, Gala apples, blueberries, strawberries, bell peppers, and then the green bell pepper back there, some diced peaches, and then these are pineapple, peach, and mango in coconut water, some quick 1-minute oats, cream cheese, 4 lemon, some tomato, Go-Gurt Sour Patch Kids, Stoke iced coffee, and of course mama needs some wine, so I grabbed me some wine, and some Danimals, some LaCroix, I think I already said tomatoes, some cran pineapple, lactate milk, Go-Go squeeze, and some Capri Sun warm waters. Alright loves, so I went ahead and cleaned out the outside of the refrigerator. So this is what it's looking like, and now let's go in and see what it's looking on the inside. I already showed y'all what the freezer is looking like. Nothing has changed. Now let's look in here. So this is how everything is looking right now. Nothing has changed. I just put the pepperonis in here. I don't know where they're gonna go, but for right now it works. The kids eat them really quick, so yeah. And right here I just have some fruits in here, lactate milk in the back, yogurt in the back, water, Danimals for the kids, Go-Gurt for the kids, LaCroix, Pepsi, and then some juice and milk. I love this. And then some Go-Go squeeze and Capri Sun in here. And down here in the bottom is everywhere that I'm going to put our weekly meals. And then in these 2 drawers I have, so like I said earlier, I'm gonna make the kids sandwich for school lunches in here and keep them for the whole week, so that, you know, it saves a lot of time. So that's what I'm gonna end up doing. So I forgot to grab bread. I think they were out. I was actually looking for bread, but they were out, so I didn't get bread. So I'll get bread tomorrow. And then I prep all their lunches for the whole week, and I was gonna show you guys how I do it, but yeah, so those goes in here. And then I have extra Capri Sun in here, and then I was just gonna keep the string cheese in here, but I didn't have any spot for the extra Capri Sun, so I ended up putting them in here. And then the string cheese in here. And then these are the fruits and veggies. So it is really late. It is like 10 something right now, and I'm gonna end up cutting out all these vegetables tomorrow and then store them in these kind of containers, you know, and keep them in here. But I have the blueberries in here, and then I have the strawberries in those containers down there. So alright loves, so we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed and that this video gave you some kind of motivation. I love cleaning out the fridge and seeing it clean, and I literally open it and just stare at it for like 5 minutes. It just feels so good, and I know it's not gonna last, but I hope you enjoyed. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you, and I will see you guys in the next one.